How to fill up your business profile in GHL account or any GHL white label. So from your dashboard, go to settings, choose business profile, put your business name, email, and the number. Then fill up the physical address, city, your province or your region, and your country. Then don't forget the time zone because it will affect on your calendar.